Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to add filters in TikTok videos. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this plus icon over here. Now to record any video or photo we can go over here, or to simply upload we can go on this upload icon in the bottom right corner. Now we can choose any of our photos or videos. Let's choose this one and click on next. Now we need to click on this icon over here. So click here and we can see filters icon over here. So let's click on this and we can see so many options for this: portrait, landscape, foods, vibes and other. So we can choose any of this. Let's go for this. And we can change the intensity as well. Let's keep it this much. So yes, this is how we can add filter to our TikTok photos or videos. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.